Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some black beans and sausage. So let's get toasting. I'm still figuring out this new kitchen in my grandparents' old house here, so it's kind of an adventure. Anyway, 10-inch cast iron skillet, and it's lightly oiled. I have a can of seasoned black beans. These are seasoned with, I think, with like some garlic powder and onion powder and a few things. They're just sort of lightly seasoned. I've used these before and they're pretty good. So get all the beans out of there. Okay, just kind of spread them out in the pan there, in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to cook these in my toaster oven. And then I have some turkey kielbasa. This stuff is fully cooked. You know, it comes in these packages. It looks almost like a circle. So I've used some of it already. So I have some sliced up into little slices there. I hear Annie running in here. She must know there's food coming. And I'm just going to put these on the top, and I don't know if they'll brown up much, but hopefully they'll brown up just a little bit in the toaster oven. So we'll get all these on the top and then we'll get it into the oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and this stuff is already fully cooked, so it just has to heat up. So I'll let you guys know how long that takes. Annie's laying on the couch right here to make sure she doesn't miss out. She's shivering. These little dogs get cold. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's see how we're doing here. Oh yeah, I think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna get it out of there. It looks like that sausage browned up a bit. Looks pretty good. This is real basic. You know, you could throw some cheese or sour cream or hot sauce or whatever you want on top of there, but I'm just gonna try it just like this. Looks pretty hot, but let's try it out. That came out pretty good. Sausage adds some flavor to the beans. Well, Annie got off the couch for the taste test. You want to try it, Annie? What do you think? There you go. Maybe that'll warm me up a little bit. Well, that was easy, and it only took about 15 or 20 minutes. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Hope you guys are doing good. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.